As an MSSP, MSP, or distributed enterprise admin, I need to know the firmware versions of my firewalls and if any firewall is running an out-of-date firmware. Launch Sonic Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using my SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into Sonic Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. Click on Firewalls menu. Click on Inventory submenu to view the list of NSM onboard firewalls. There is the version column, which is handy to view the firewall's firmware versions. A single place to view all information about firmwares running on the firewall S. Hover over the red spokes icon next to the firewall name, especially any old firewalls running on old firmware versions. We will witness the out-of-date firmware version banner. This will help take immediate action in upgrading the firewall's firmware to the latest version. As an action item, to upgrade the firmware on the firewall, click on the action icon of the respective firewall. Click on the Upgrade Firmware option to initiate the firmware upgrade process on the firewall.